Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the environment. Confirm your TSB version and any mods so you avoid mismatched behaviors. Once done, back up your active profile and all color presets to a separate folder to revert if needed. Open the color editor or the moves panel inside TSB and locate the move you want to recolor. You're ready to take the first actionable step. Select the move slot, enable edit mode, and make a small test change to verify the editor responds. You now perform the detailed execution. Choose whether to edit via RGB values, HSV sliders, or a hex code for precise matching. This controls how the engine interprets hue and saturation. Next, add color layers if the move supports overlays, and set blend modes to multiply or screen so highlights and shadows remain natural. Make small adjustments and preview the move on the character and in several game situations to verify consistency and avoid clipping, or finish by saving your new color preset and exporting a test package or patch so the change persists across sessions. Test the recolored move across multiple animations, camera angles, and lighting conditions to ensure it reads well in gameplay. If you encounter banding, missing texture layers, or incorrect hues, revert to your backup, reduce layer opacity, or switch blend mode. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves artifacts without rebuilding the whole move. Finally, document the working value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.